So you're going to grind the star anise and the dough together, but as you do, call forth the spirit of the earth. Here,
Okay.
through these, come forth. When it's done, when it's sufficient quality, let me know and we can continue the blessing.
Nothing works like you want it to when you want it. Yeah. All right.
There's still that Mercury thing going on with the technology, and it's fucking off yet.
Right. All right. Star anise. What am I supposed to say? Mix it.
By the spirit of earth come forth, let the gates of Jupiter be open.
By the spirits of earth come forth. By the gates, or let the gates of Jupiter be open. All right, so we have our dill and our star anise.
Right. Now put that on top of that gate array, just the one without the division.
That one.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Is you ready to light that thing on fire? Excellent. And when you light it on fire, say, by fire be open. Put it directly in the center of that array.
In the cauldron.
Yeah, the cauldron directly over top of the center of that triangle. Outstanding.
All right.
Light it up. By fire be open.
By fire be open. Whoa, whoa. We got fire, man. We got fire. Fire going on there.
Come forth, spirits of justice.
Come forth, spirits of justice.
And the confusing way.
And the confusing way. Huh?
There was a siren that was passing. The spirits are listening. Be brought forth by fire.
Be brought forth by fire.
To set about my desire.
To set about my desire.
Free me from injustice.
Free me from justice.
Injustice.
Oh, free me in justice.
Come forth, great spirit.
Come forth, great spirit.
And be released.
And be released. That's see if I can capture that. See that in there? See how that's like all whitish orange? Like it's like the eternal flame. You see that? You guys see that? Yeah.
love it. Outstanding, Mike. As the fire burns, so shall it be.
As the fire burns, so shall it be.
You feel that surge at the end there?
Hmm?
Did you feel that release?
Yeah, even the flame changed.